Assalamu alaikum. In last video, we have seen how to create a homepage and product page. Now we will complete our website like this. We will prepare all the product pages and our website will be complete. When our website is complete, then we have to set the checkout form. There are two types of checkout. One is Shopify's own checkout and third-party checkout. First of all, let's see Shopify's checkout. For that, we will go to Settings. And here in Payments and Manual Payments, we will turn on Cash on Delivery. After that, we will go to Checkout. And see, we have details here, which details are required and which details we have to take. So first of all, we need a phone number. Here we need the required last name and the full name. Company name is not required. Address line 2 is not required. 1 is already included. Shipping address and phone number is also required. So, this is our setting and we will save it. Now let's go to our website and see how is the checkout. As there is no card, so our checkout is not enabled. Otherwise, after doing these settings, your checkout will be settled. Your checkout should be like this. Secondly, we have third party. When we are working in GCC, then third-party checkout is required. So we have the most famous checkout there, ReleaseIt. We will install it. It has been installed. Now let's see its settings. To replace Shopify checkout with ReleaseIt, we have to do this. In the setup guide, enable the app on your phone. And we will open the theme from here. And we will save it here. See, it is showing. Okay, so this is done. Now let's customize the form. In this, we have 100 free orders. After that, it gets paid. But it is not very costly. It is in reasonable prices. So we will go to the form designer. Here, we will embed it. Embedded means like this. If we go to the website, it will be shown like this. Sorry, it means embedded. Embedded means when we click on the Cash on Delivery button, it will be shown like this. But when we go to the website, it will automatically open in front of us. So, we will embed it. After that, we have to select the country for which we are working. So, I will select the same here. Okay. And from here, we will see what all things are required. So, in this, instead of first name and last name, we have to write the full name. So, from here, we will turn off one eye. And by editing this, we will write the full name here. As we are doing in YouTube, there are some Arabic-speaking customers there. Okay, so what we will do for them is we will write the Arabic translation with this. And here, in the placeholder, we will write Arabic, and in the label, we will write in English. Okay, after that, we require a phone number, address, and rate. Okay. And this city, we do not require a city. Okay, so we will turn off this city. And whatever things we require, we will see here that what other things are required. Okay, now instead of city, we will make an area here. Okay, so here we have our form ready. We will bring the emanates after the phone number. So from here, we can move it. Okay. So this is how our form will show. In this video, we have seen how to check out. So that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.